Hi, Yahboom.
I'm here.
What can you see?
Indoor scene. Gray grid background. There are many colorful fruit models such as bananas, strawberries, pears, oranges, eggplants, etc. on the table.
Hi, Yahboom.
I'm here.
Help me analyze the current environment and tell me the coordinates of the red block.
Red block 340, 396, 385, 476.
Hi, Yahboom.
I'm here.
Tell me a story.
Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a brave knight named Sir Cedric. He was known throughout the land for his courage and his unwavering loyalty to the king. One day, a terrible dragon appeared, threatening the kingdom with its fiery breath and sharp claws.
Hi, Yahboom.
I'm here.
Scan the local table.
Vertical line serial number, vertical line variety, vertical line specifications, vertical line unit, vertical line supermarket, 1 vertical line supermarket, 2 vertical line supermarket, 3 vertical line supermarket, 4